हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माई सेल्फ खुशी भंडारी। अगर आपने अब तक मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें। सो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोग ने देखा था केमिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 1 सॉलिड स्टेट, और मैंने आपको एक्सरसाइज का सोल्यूशन दिया था क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। Choose the most correct answer and answer the following in 1 or 2 sentence. So आज के वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे answer the following in brief. So let's start. First question is, what are valence band and conduction band? Your answer is valence band, the atomic orbitals with filled electrons from the inner shell form valence bands where there are no free mobile electrons since they are involved in bonding. Conduction band, atomic orbitals which are partially filled or empty on the overlapping form closely placed molecular orbitals giving conduction band where electrons are delocalized and can conduct heat and electricity. Second one is, distinguish between ionic solids and molecular solid. Ionic solid, first point is, particle of unit cell is cations and anions. So on the other hand, particle of unit cell is monoatomic or polyatomic molecules. Here second point is, interparticle force is electrostatic, and here second point is, interparticle forces are London dipole forces and hydrogen bonds. Third point is, they are hard and brittle. So on the other hand, molecular solids are soft. Fourth point is, melting point is high, 600 degrees Celsius to 3000 degrees Celsius. And here fourth point is, melting point is low, minus 272 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. Fifth point is, poor electrical conductors in solid state, good conductors when melt or dissolve in water. So here fifth point is, poor conductor of heat and electricity. So sixth point, ionic solid examples are NaCl and CaF2. And here example of molecular solids are ice and benzoic acid. Third one is, calculate the number of atoms in FCC unit cell. Your answer is, in this unit cell there are 8 atoms at 8 corners and 6 atoms at 6 face centers. Each corner contributes 1/8 part to the unit cell. Hence, due to 8 corners, number of atoms is equal to 1/8 into 8 is equal to 1. So, each face center contributes half of the atom to the unit cell. Hence, due to the 6 face center, the number of atoms is equal to half into 6 is equal to 3. Therefore, the total number of atoms present in FCC unit cell is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Hence, the volume of the unit cell is equal to the volume of 4 atoms. Fourth one is, how are the spheres arranged in first layer of simple cubic closed packed structure? How are the successive layers of spheres placed above this layer? So this third one answer is long. So your answer is first point, stacking of square closed packed layers. Here first is, in this arrangement the two-dimensional AAAA type square closed packed layers are placed one over the other in such a way that the crests of all spheres are in contact with successive layers in all directions. Second point is, all spheres of different layers are perfectly aligned horizontally and vertically, forming unit cells having primitive or simple cubic structure. Third point is, since all the layers are identical and if each layer is labeled as layer A, then whole three-dimensional crystal lattice will be of AAAA type. Fourth point is, each sphere is in contact with 6 surrounded spheres. Hence, the coordination number of each sphere is 6. So, second point of this answer is stacking of two hexagonal closed packed layers. First point is, a closed packed three-dimensional structure can be generated by arranging hexagonal closed packed layers in a particular manner. Second point is, in this, the spheres of second layer are placed in the depression of the first layer. Third point is, in this, if first layer is labeled as A, then second layer is labeled as B. Since they are aligned differently, in this, all triangular voids of the first layers are not covered by the spheres of the second layer. Fourth point is, the triangular voids which are covered by second layer spheres generate tetrahedral void which is surrounded by 4 spheres. Fifth point is, the triangular voids in one layer have above them triangular voids of successive layers. Sixth point is, the overlapping triangular voids form 2 layers together form an octahedral void which is surrounded by 6 spheres. Next question is, calculate the packing efficiency of metal crystal that has simple cubic structure. Your answer is, there are 4 steps. So, step 1 is radius of sphere. In simple cubic lattice, the atoms means spheres are present at 8 corners and in contact along the edge in the unit cell. If A is the edge length of unit cell and R is the radius of the atom, then A is equal to 2R or R is equal to A upon 2. So here is the diagram of SCC structure and the values are labeled. So second step is volume of sphere. Volume of one particle is equal to 4 pi upon 3 into R cube. So after putting the values, 4 pi upon 3 into A upon 2 cube is equal to pi A cube upon 6. Step third is total volume of particles. Since the unit cell contains one particle, volume occupied by one particle in unit cell is equal to pi A cube upon 6. Step 4th is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by particles in unit cell upon volume of unit cell into 100. So after putting the value, pi A cube upon 6 upon A cube into 100 is equal to pi value is given 3.142 into 100 upon 6. So your answer is 52.36%. So next question is, what are paramagnetic substance? Give examples. Your answer is, first, the magnetic properties of a substance arise due to the presence of electrons. An electron, while revolving around the nucleus, along spins around its own axis and generates a magnetic moment and magnetic properties. Third, if an atom or a molecule contains one or more unpaired electrons spinning in same direction, clockwise or anticlockwise, then the substance is associated with net magnetic moment and magnetic properties. They experience a net force of attraction when placed in the magnetic field. This phenomenon is called paramagnetism and the substance is said to be paramagnetic. For example, O2, CO2 plus, Fe3 plus, Cr3 plus, NO, etc. Next question is, what are the consequences of Schottky defect? So your answer is, the consequences of Schottky defect is, first, since the number of ions, cations and anions decreases but volume remains unchanged, the density of a substance decreases. Second point, as the number of missing cations and anion is equal, the electrical neutrality of the compound remains same. Third point, this defect arises in ionic crystals like NaCl, AgBr, KCl, etc. Next question is, calcium chloride crystallizes in cubic unit cell with Cl- ions at the corners and Cs plus ion in the center of the cube. How many CaCl molecules are there in the unit cell? So solution is, number of Cs plus ion at body center is equal to 1. Number of Cl- ions due to 8 corners is equal to 8 into 1 upon 8 is equal to 1. Hence, unit cell contain 1 CaCl molecule. Next is, Cu crystallizes in FCC unit cell with edge length of 495 pm. What is the radius of Cu atom? So your solution is given A is equal to 495 pm and we have to find the radius. So R is equal to, we have to find it. So for FCC structure, radius is equal to A upon 2 root 2 is equal to, after putting the value of A, 495 upon 2 into root 2. So your answer is 175 pm. So radius of Cu atom is 175 pm. So the last question is, obtain the relationship between density of a substance and the edge length of the unit cell. So your answer is, first, consider a cubic unit cell of edge length A. The volume of unit cell is equal to A cube. Second point is, if there are n particles per unit cell and the mass of the particle is m, then mass of unit cell is equal to m into n. Third point is, if the density of unit cell of the substance is P, then density of unit cell is equal to mass of the unit cell upon volume of the unit cell. So here equation of the putting the values, P is equal to m into n upon A cube. So here we completed. Answer the following in brief. Thank you for watching my video. So some questions are remaining that I will give you in the next video. So like, share and subscribe.